you develop a new level of appreciation for the country.
미국의 세계적인 기업에서 5년간 쉴 틈 없이 달려온 엘리트 청년. 복잡한 도심을 벗어나 진정한 휴식을 갈망했던 그는 부푼 기대를 안고 한국의 낯선 시골 마을로 향했습니다. 하지만 평화로울 것만 같았던 그의 여행은 첫날부터 완전히 궤도를 벗어나고 맙니다.
But I want to show you maybe tomorrow morning. I mean real kind of Gwangju. I mean hidden gems of my city. Nobody cover that kind of some place so far. But I will take it there. So you let me show you around. But I'm not charging you. Kind of it's free tours.
이름 모를 산길을 오르며 두려움과 긴장감에 휩싸였던 청년. 하지만 잠시 후 그가 다급히 켠 라이브 방송을 지켜보던 전 세계 100만 명의 시청자들은 눈앞에 펼쳐진 광경에 경악을 금치 못했습니다. 미국 청년의 혼을 완전히 쏙 빼놓은 한국 시골에서의 기막힌 여정 그 첫 번째 기록입니다. 낯선 현지인이 호언장담하며 이끈 곳은 도심을 완전히 벗어난 광주 외곽의 깊은 산속이었습니다. 인적 드문 산길을 오르며 긴장감이 고조되던 찰나, 청년의 눈앞에 펼쳐진 것은 두려움을 단숨에 잊게 만드는 거대한 대자연의 민낯이었습니다. 평생 맛본 적 없는 깊은 숲속의 달콤함을 선물 받은 것도 잠시 한여름의 떼약볕을 단숨에 얼어붙게 만드는 상식 밖의 차가움이 미국 청년을 덮칩니다.
Look at that Korean mountain grape. That's really good.
2만원짜리 주세요 그냥.
네, 이거?
네.
짠! 여기 하루 종일 있으면 내가 그런 거 많이 주는데 계속.
Whoa. These grapes are honestly some of the best I've had in my life. More. What? Another one.
다 받으라.
Oh.
Take it.
So many grapes.
제가 나중에
Thank you. Wow. This is amazing. This mountain, man, is full of surprises. Check it out, guys. How amazing is this? We got our own little natural pool here in the mountain. We got a lot more than we bargained for, my friends. Southwest Korea. Mountain grapes in the mountain river. Oh, you're insane, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Where? What did the sun do all summer? How is this not warm? How is this so warm? Oh, yeah, you'll get pulled by that current. That's crazy. Once you go in there, you'll get swept in there. Man, being out here, you develop a new level of appreciation for the country. You know? The land, too. Imagine not being able to visit this place. It makes me feel bad for people who can't visit places, you know, that their family comes from, or even where their friends live. And there are a lot of places in the world that I can't go to. It breaks my heart if I think about it too much. So I'm gonna try not to. But being here is awesome. I'm so grateful for this place, the people who have taken me, like Pedro. Didn't have to do this. This is family day for him. It's a Sunday on one of the biggest holidays of the year. But here we are. And I'm just at a loss for words. I can barely even speak right now. But I guess this place speaks for itself.
대자연이 선사한 완벽한 피서와 현지인의 헌신적인 호의에 깊은 감동을 받은 청년. 다음 날 아침 한국 시골의 고요한 정취를 온전히 느끼기 위해 홀로 조용한 산책에 나섭니다. 하지만 평화로울 것만 같았던 그의 산책길은 낯선 동네 주민들의 정체 모를 스포츠 현장과 마주치며 또다시 완벽하게 통제 불능 상태에 빠지고 맙니다. 서양의 개인주의 상식으로는 도저히 이해할 수 없는 맹렬한 정의 공세가 시작됩니다.
발로 하는
Soccer?
네.
족.
발로 하는 족구. 식혜.
Oh, shike. More.
식혜는 또 뭐지?
This is different shike. Shike. They're playing this game. It's like Korean foot volley.
오.
Oh.
감자하고 약식.
I don't know. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. We're watching this Korean foot volley game, and they're serving me food and all these special snacks. This is like a glob of rice with nuts, and it looks candied. So chewy. It's not sweet at all, but it feels nutritious. Probably for the Joku players. And this is, what is this? Potato?
모닝 브레이크.
Oh, I had so much food. Thank you. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. I literally just had breakfast. They're feeding me all these things. Morning sandwich. Cheers. That's good stuff. Korean egg salad at the Joku game. This is good country living, my friends. You got the wives of the pastors here. These are all pastors, and they have their pickup Joku game. And then their wives come with the food, and they hang out and they talk, and they're giving me food and coffee. And you know, I don't want to be too much of a nuisance, but this is super nice to see. I think this is what it's all about.
모기.
Mogi.
모기 패치.
Mogi patch.
모기 패치?
What is it? It smells. Here?
Yeah.
They gave me a mogi patch. I don't know what that means. Too much. I go. Yeah. Good. Yeah, it was nice meeting you. I just vibe with this place. There's a very and caring human beings to look out for one another. And I get to experience just a little bit of that.
아침 식사를 마쳤다는 항변조차 무용지물로 만들어버린 동네 주민들의 일방적인 환대. 양손 가득 음식을 쥐어주고 모기 패치까지 붙여주는 맹렬한 보살핌에 청년은 완전히 넋을 잃고 맙니다. 간신히 그들의 호의에서 빠져나와 빵빵해진 배를 두드리며 길을 나섰지만 대한민국 시골의 무서운 인심은 이방인을 그냥 내버려 두지 않았습니다. 길 위에서 마주친 또 다른 무리가 그를 완벽하게 무장해제 시켜버리는 상황이 이어집니다.
Hello.
What are you doing? Eating fried chicken?
닭강 뭐라고 설명해? Chicken.
Chicken. Nice.
여기요.
Bon appetit.
Where are you from?
Florida.
Florida.
Oh, garlic chicken.
Woohoo!
Which one's better? This? Okay. Hey, I get it.
No.
All I've been doing is eating here in this. I'm getting so fat in this country. I thought Asia was gonna slim me out. Thank you. 감사합니다. Okay, it's a corn shape. Waffle cone and a corn shape, and you just eat it like this, right?
Yes.
Mmm.
Good?
Mmm. You got chocolate and ice cream, vanilla in the corn waffle. That's awesome.